Hi y'all. Quick video on a quick video on trying to get some help from your YouTube HVAC guys out there, how to fix my Bosch heat pump. I got it's a 5,000 or what is it, 5-ton heat pump. I had a new compressor put in last year, and now it's not working. I just checked the what do you call it, cap here, and it looks like it's okay. It takes my meter a little while to actually focus, you junk. It takes a little while for the meter to come up to 82 microfarads, but it does it. This has been changed before. I see it says 440 volts. Come on. I don't know what the hell that's about. Well, it says 440 there, but 80 microfarad, and I try it, and it seems to not do anything. So let me put this back together. Hold on, I'll put you up here. Sorry, I'm shaking so bad. Okay, I guess I can't put that down. I will try to connect these up. I marked it. Not that it matters, I guess. Yeller over here. Got a soft start kit. Contactor seems to be working okay. Look at that, that's the only place for it. Contactor seems to be working okay. Just doesn't turn over the pump or the motor compressor. Man, I can't do this. I got issues, obviously. Many issues. Alright, let's try this one. Alright, I got you that time. Okay. So, now the cap's on. Contactors engaged. I'm going to go throw this thing on. You guys can hear what it's doing, and I can. I guess the only other thing I'll do is I'll check for on my load side, not the line. I will check to make sure my contactor's sending out juicy to my motor, which looks like load, and T would be in, I guess, from no, that's my pump. No, that's for the well pump. Good. Alright. Load. T. I guess all that does is send juice to the well pump. I guess. Line. Alright, let me throw it on. And it takes about a few minutes for it to get going. I guess we can jump it though. Okay, so power comes on that little beauty. That little beauty's blinking green, which it says is good. And I'm going to push this in. So all we hear running is the well pump. Does not ever try to even fire the compressor. Grand, huh? Just my luck. So, what do we do about that, guys? let's troubleshoot on YouTube, and I will try everything you tell me to. We'll see if we can fix it and save me some money. Thank you.